Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a Wix wedding website. So what we're going to show you in this video is how you can create your own wedding website for whatever purpose it may be, whether it is for inviting people or to show your guests how to get to the venue or for creating an RSVP or even just to create your wedding website memories. Mostly people create wedding websites for creating a gift registry, which is what we're going to show you in this video. So make sure you're watching till the end. Now let's start. We are on the My Site section on Wix. It is pretty simple to sign up. I've already done that. So if you want to sign up, you can either use your Google account or Facebook account or simply use your email address, given a password, and then answer the questions that Wix has to ask you, and you will be then taken to your dashboard from where you can access My Sites. Now, if you want to create a wedding website on Wix, you simply need to click on this button that says Create New Site. Now, Wix will first ask you what kind of website are you creating. Since we are creating a website for wedding, we're going to just type in wedding. And here you can see these are all the options that you have. So if you're a planner, you will select this. If you want to show the wedding venue, you will select this. Or if you are a wedding photographer, you can select this option or this option to show off your work. If you have a destination wedding, you can select this. So you have a lot of options over here. We're just going to go in with the general keyword that is wedding and click on next. Now, what would you like to call your website? Let's say we want to call it My D-Day and click on next. Now, you've got two options to create a wedding website on Wix.com. You can either begin with a template, which is the first option, or you can get a custom built site over here. We're going to go ahead and show you how you can create a website using a template. So click on begin with a template. So here you can see weddings website templates, and these are all the wedding website templates. So some are for the venue, some are for wedding invitation, and you can also create one for wedding planner, but we are creating it mainly for creating the gift registry. So let's just go ahead and select a template from here. Now this is a template that I quite like. It is pretty elegant and goes in sync with my preferences. So let's just go ahead and edit this by clicking the edit button. Give Wix a few minutes and let the website load. Now that the Wix website template has loaded, you can see these are all the options that you can do over here. This is the home page. So if you just click on this, you will see that you've got a lot of options to edit it. Now, if you want to check out the pages, you will go to pages and menu on the left side over here. Now, the pages that we have currently on this template are home, our story, which is something people do include on their wedding website, details, RSVP registry, and a lot of stuff. So if you want, you can go with these options already, or else you can change the pages, which is what we're going to do in some time. So keep watching. Currently, we are on the home page. Now, you can edit the text over here. We're going to edit it by clicking edit text, and the editing options will open on the side. So we're going to change the name to Alicia and Alex. Now, I like my texts bold, so I'm going to go in with the bold option. I feel that the line spacing is a bit too much, so we're going to go ahead and expand this character and line spacing option and just decrease it. You can also change the font. You've got a range of fonts over here. Let's just scroll through and see. Well, this one looks good. I'm going to increase the font size as well. Now, once that is done, you can select the text and just place it wherever you want. Align it with the center alignment. You can see that there is this purple line coming in the center and the text gets snapped to it for center alignment. But I'm just going to align it with the flowers over here. Now we're going to subheading text over here. I'm just going to place it a bit on the top, like right beneath our heading. Let's just change this text by clicking edit text. And I'm going to just type in invite you to their D-Day, like that. Now, if you want, you can change the background, but I like this one. It's like a wedding cake. It's really elegant. If you want to edit any of these pages, like the title of the page, you simply go to the pages and menu option on the left side. Click on the three dots and click on rename. So this is going to be our welcome page. And once you're done, click on done. Now I'm going to go ahead and just delete these pages. For that, you just go to the three dots again and click on delete, and I'm going to go ahead and do that quickly for all the remaining pages. Now let's go ahead and add our own page, and for that you just simply need to click on add page. I'm going to go ahead with blank page, and I'm going to name this the event. Now let's go ahead and add a new page over here, and I'm going to add again a blank page, and we're going to name this gift registry. You can go ahead and add how many pages you want. Now let's go to the event page and change the background. So if you want to change the background, you click change section background, and you can see that you've got all these options. And I'm going to click on image over here, and this pop-up window will open, and I'm going to search for pink. It's like something that is related to the home page, and you can see that there are quite a lot of options over here. I'm just going to go ahead with this pink building, so it's like showing you the details, like where it is, where the wedding is going to take place. Now once that is done, let's go to the gift registry page, and we're going to add a title over here. So just click on this plus icon and click on heading, and I'm going to name this gift registry. You can select it, and I'm going to align it to the center, increase the font size, make it bold, and also just change the position. So we're just going to drag it and put it over here. Now I'm going to change this background image again and go to image and search for pink again, and I want like something which is more of a solid background, so I'm going to just add this, let that load. It looks pretty elegant, right? So now let's go ahead and create the gift registry. For that, we need to install an app. So go to this section on the left side, which is the add apps option on the left sidebar. Now you're going to go ahead and search on the Wix app market for Wix Pro Gallery, and there it is. So if it is not installed, it will show you that it is not installed, and you need to simply click on install to install it. Since we have it installed already, we can go back and go to the pages menu and go to the gift registry page, and on this page we are going to click the plus icon, and this will get activated once the Pro Gallery is installed. So you've got all these options. You can add a grid of this sort or an artboard, or you've got all these options under the galleries or Pro Galleries, and then you've got the grid galleries. So for the gift registry, it would be good if you go for something like an actual grid, so you can showcase all the gifts underneath one page itself, like together, so people will have a look at a glance. Just align this underneath the heading over here, and now let's see how we can add the gift itself on this gift registry page. For that, you can click on change image, and first of all I'm going to change the image to what exactly the gift is. Say you want to add a bed sheet. Let's just search for bed itself. So if you want to add a bed sheet to your gift registry, I'm just going to go ahead with this one and click on choose image. So over here you can see that the image has been replaced. Now to add the product itself, like what are people going to gift you, you need to go to this link section over here and add the link. So say you've liked a bed sheet from Amazon, and this is the bed sheet. So you're just simply going to go to the URL, copy it, go to this section over here which says link, and add the link by just clicking over here and pasting that link, and then click on done, and again click on done. Now it will not be noticeable over here because you are on the editor page. So for that we need to publish our site. Let's go ahead and publish the site and just move this out of the way, and let's go to preview. Now we're going to go to a preview of the gift registry page, and you can see that when you hover the cursor on this section of the grid, the image of the bed sheet comes, and clicking it will expand it, like it will show an expanded view of the bed sheet itself. And beneath over here you can see go to link is mentioned. Clicking that will take the visitor to the bed sheet page on Amazon, from where they can purchase it. So this is exactly how you can create a gift registry page and how you can also create a wedding website on Wix. So with this, our tutorial has completed. We truly hope this has benefited you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll catch you soon in our next one. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.